Hey, Larry Powell here. So this is a video I put together showing you how to not only set up your Google My Business listing, but also dominate in the map pack as well. So there was a study done recently that 75% of people don't go past this first page of Google search. So by having your business on this first page and in this map pack really sets your business up for success and generating a lot of new clients. So I chose this search term because not only is it based out of my hometown, but there are a lot of businesses in this. So you can see here if you go to more businesses that there's 20 or so businesses here, and there's 6 pages. So there's a lot of businesses in here that are trying to get into that top spot. So what we're going to go over today is how you're going to build that out. And how you're going to get that optimized to where you're able to claim one of these top 3 spots for your business. So first off, we're going to be going to Google My Business. And then we're going to go to sign in. And this is just an email I used for this training. So for your business name, we're just going to do House Painters Eugene. Next, business category, house painter, start painting contractor. Painter, there we go. So for this one, if you have a physical location where you want your customers to be able to come to, you would hit yes. But if you are just a service-based business where you are going to people's houses to provide your services or to people's businesses, you're going to be hitting no. So going through here, where do you serve your customers? So for me, it's going to be Eugene, Oregon. We'll do surrounding cities as well, so Cresswell, and we'll do Cottage Grove, Oregon. And you can go back through and add more of these later, and it does have like suggestions, so you could do Springfield, Pleasant Hill, and you can add as many of these in here as you want. So then we'll go next. Then you're just going to enter in your phone number. If you have a website, you can put that website address in here. Don't need a website. So we're going to put I don't need a website for now. So then we're going to hit finish. So the verification process for this usually takes anywhere from 5 days to 2 weeks. So what you're going to do now is put in your physical location address that you can receive your verification card from Google from. I'm going to pause this really quick and do that. Okay, so now that I have my address in there, I'm going to put my contact name. And then mail. And again, this takes about 5 days to 2 weeks to get this card headed towards your mailbox. So next, after we do this, we can go through and start optimizing out our GMB. So the important thing with this is you really want to fill this out as much as possible. So pretty much what you want to do is just go through every one of these tabs and start filling this out. So info, we're going to go through and we can put in, so again, we can change all the information we've already entered in as well. So if we want to put a location in that people can visit, we can do that here. Add in your hours, your website if you have one, any products you offer. So for us, it could be exterior house painting, interior house painting, garage doors, any of those different services that you offer, you would put those in here, or under your services tab. Business description. So for here in your business description, you have up to 750 characters that you can write. I would recommend with this also that you include your keywords you really want to rank for, or niche specific. So niche you're in and location. So for us, it would be House Painters Eugene. Have that included in this description. So after you do that, just hit apply. And then also your photos. So I think you can enter in like 25 or so some odd photos on these, or however many Google will let you do. But the photos are really important because Google doesn't have any emotion. Google doesn't care what you have on here as far as photos, but you really want to build that trust with potential clients. So by having these photos in here and showing that you are a real business and that you do know what you're doing, building that trust, that will really help you with converting these potential clients. So that is showing you guys how to set up a GMB page. It is fairly simple, but if you guys have any questions, definitely post in the comments below this, and I will answer those however I can. Thank you.